AI's rapid evolution is reshaping the tech landscape, offering unprecedented opportunities and challenges. Today, we'll explore groundbreaking developments from pricing strategies to secure AI deployment that are setting the pace for innovation. OpenAI's recent decision to slash the prices of its GPT 5.6 Luna and Terra models by up to 80% marks a significant shift in AI accessibility. This move occurred merely 3 weeks post-launch, demonstrating OpenAI's commitment to increasing AI adoption across various sectors. By reducing Luna's input cost to 20 cents per million tokens and output to $1.20, OpenAI aims to lower the barrier for high-volume and speed-sensitive applications. The technical side of this price adjustment involves several advanced considerations. Optimized for cost-sensitive workloads. Luna is designed to cater to applications requiring rapid processing and large volumes, leveraging streamlined neural network architectures. The model is particularly suited for environments where processing speed and cost per transaction are critical. This makes it highly attractive for industries like financial services, telecommunications, and real-time analytics. Tokenization. The models utilize sophisticated tokenization techniques to analyze and manage workload complexity efficiently. In essence, tokenization breaks down text inputs into smaller units, tokens. By optimizing token size and understanding, Luna can process input faster with reduced computational overhead, resulting in lower costs and improved throughput. API access. The APIs provide a structured and straightforward way to integrate these models into existing organizational frameworks. They are secure, compliant, and allow businesses to deploy AI capabilities more seamlessly. This direct integration not only reduces time to market, but also enhances the potential to innovate by allowing companies to experiment with AI capabilities without prohibitive costs. In terms of numbers, Luna's initial pricing was $1 per million input tokens and $6 for output. This drastic 80% cut showcases the potential for substantial cost savings, though Terra's new exact pricing remains partially unspecified, despite a 20% reduction claim. This significant change is designed to entice new users and push current users to deepen their AI integration for more comprehensive solutions. However, this strategy isn't without potential drawbacks. The drastic reductions could strain OpenAI's systems if demand spikes dramatically. There might also be performance compromises for users prioritizing complex tasks over cost. Price reductions can often lead to increased demand, potentially leading to latency issues if infrastructure is not scaled accordingly. For those eager to explore, OpenAI's official API documentation is now more inviting than ever. Developers can engage with sample projects or even perform cost analyses to gauge potential savings. Head to OpenAI's GitHub repos to get a taste of these capabilities. The documentation serves as a clear guide for enterprises to understand, access, and utilize the power of the models, offering insights on best practices for application and deployment. The key takeaway here is OpenAI's strategic push to make AI solutions more financially accessible, potentially shifting market dynamics as competitors reassess their offerings. By lowering costs substantially, OpenAI not only invites more experimentation and innovation across industries, but also pressures competitors to adapt pricing models, thus leveling the playing field in AI technology usage. Nous Research is making a significant move with its latest integration of Hermes Agent and Buzz, offering 3 distinct paths for connectivity. This advancement is poised to streamline workflows and enhance productivity, particularly in areas like code review and incident tracking. The integration was announced on July 31, 2026, though it currently lacks comprehensive detail, leading to ambiguity about its practical application and benefits. From a technical perspective, Hermes Agent boasts several noteworthy features. Autonomous AI Agent. As an open-source solution, Hermes is designed to operate across Linux, macOS, and WSL2 platforms, providing broad compatibility for various developer environments. Persistent memory capability. One of the hallmark features of Hermes Agent is its ability to improve over time through continuous learning, adapting based on user interactions and data inputs. Integration with Buzz. Buzz is an open source collaboration platform aimed at enabling seamless interactions between humans and AI agents, enhancing processes in software development through automation and smart insights. The integration promises potential efficiency improvements in tasks such as code reviews and incident tracking, although specific performance metrics and benchmarks have not been released. These tasks are crucial in software development, where time saving and accuracy can significantly impact product cycles and quality assurance. Despite the potential, there are several challenges. The lack of detailed reports or official confirmations about the integration's viability leaves many developers in the dark regarding its actual benefits. Without clear announcements or timelines, there may be hesitance in early adoption due to uncertainties about its implementation and potential hurdles. Practical steps for developers interested in exploring this integration include reviewing the Hermes agent documentation available on their official site and visiting the GitHub repository, providing access to source code and opportunities for contribution. By examining these resources, developers can gain insights into the setup process, use cases, and potential customization. The implications of a successful Hermes agent and Buzz integration could set new collaboration standards between AI systems and human workflows, potentially leading to broader adoption of open-source AI solutions for collaborative tasks. However, due to limited current insights, developers might stand by cautiously until proven, focusing on platforms that provide more extensive documentation and case studies. In summary, while the integration between Hermes agent and Buzz is promising on the surface, its practical benefits remain speculative without further detailed information. Nevertheless, it may pave the way for future innovations in AI-assisted workflows, influencing industry trends towards more dynamic and interactive AI collaborations. JetBrains has open-sourced KotlinLLM, a dynamic new tool for Kotlin developers, providing runtime code generation and hot reloading capabilities directly within IntelliJ IDEA. Its innovative approach uses smart macros to automatically generate usable Kotlin code during runtime, specifically designed with applications requiring dynamic interaction in mind. Smart macros explained. One of the cornerstone features of KotlinLLM is its smart macros, specialized Kotlin function calls enabling dynamic code generation. Two prominent examples are lf from hint. This macro facilitates the transformation of unstructured data into strongly typed Kotlin objects. Such conversions are vital in applications interacting with diverse and unpredictable data inputs, requiring real-time data adaptation. Designed for testing, this macro generates stateful mock implementations of interfaces. By simulating the behavior of components, developers can conduct robust testing without requiring access to actual resources, improving test coverage and reliability. Enhancing developer workflow. KotlinLLM's implementation of hot reloading allows developers to refresh parts of their codebase without restarting the application. This feature can significantly enhance the efficiency of development cycles, reducing downtime and enabling quicker iteration and deployment. Stable API. The API provided by KotlinLLM is stable, designed to remain consistent across updates, allowing for seamless integration into existing projects. This stability encourages developers to adopt these features quickly, without the need to constantly adapt to API changes. Addressing integration challenges. JetBrains specifically targets the hurdles faced in integrating language models, LLMs, into statically typed languages. With KotlinLLM, the generated code can be committed, reviewed, and tested like standard Kotlin code, ensuring that AI-enhanced applications maintain the rigor of traditional development practices. Access and exploration. For developers interested in leveraging these capabilities, KotlinLLM is readily accessible. It can be downloaded from JetBrains' official pages and GitHub repository. The repository includes example projects and comprehensive documentation within the IntelliJ plugin, assisting developers in experimenting with and implementing smart macros. Considerations and future directions. Despite its promising capabilities, developers may face a learning curve when integrating this novel tool into their workflows. Real-world effectiveness of smart macros is yet to be fully validated across diverse projects. Moreover, dynamically generated code introduces challenges related to persistence and portability, which require careful management. Broader implications. The introduction of KotlinLLM represents a significant step towards embedding AI into the development environment, potentially transforming how developers interact with programming languages. As these tools evolve, so too might developers' roles, shifting towards oversight and innovation rather than routine coding. By positioning KotlinLLM as an open-source tool, JetBrains not only fosters innovation within the community, but also strengthens its standing against competing AI-enhanced development tools. As more developers engage with KotlinLLM, we anticipate a growing discourse on optimizing AI's role in software engineering, influencing agile practices and collaborative coding strategies. PolyAI has rolled out Dialogue RSN1, an audio-native dialogue model designed for seamless audio communication without the need for text transcripts. This advancement sets the stage for a new era in real-time call handling, with significant implications for industries reliant on effective customer service interactions. Diving into the technical highlights. Real-time audio processing. The model processes audio directly, ensuring smooth conversations and quick turn-taking in complex dialogue contexts. This capability is crucial for sectors like customer service, where response time is critical. With low latency, exact metrics undisclosed, it's optimized for environments demanding immediate feedback. Raven-built architecture. The model employs PolyAI's proprietary Raven architecture, a purpose-built framework for intricate machine-to-human interactions. This architecture underpins the seamless processing capabilities that allow Dialogue RSN1 to handle diverse and multilingual communications across 75 countries efficiently. Agent Development Kit integration. The integration with PolyAI's existing Agent Development Kit, ADK, simplifies deployment, enabling complex dialogue agents to go live in under 10 minutes. This ease of implementation significantly reduces the setup time for enterprises, allowing rapid adaptation to evolving customer needs. Benchmarked against over 1 billion enterprise conversations, Dialogue RSN1 aims to elevate user interaction quality. The data-rich training ensures the model is well-equipped to manage typical enterprise challenges, providing robust performance even under high-volume operations. However, potential challenges persist. The model may experience performance variability influenced by audio input quality, environmental noise, or diverse accents and dialects. Furthermore, its reliance on internet connectivity for real-time processing could pose challenges in regions with unstable broadband infrastructure. For practical engagement, developers are encouraged to visit PolyAI's platform to delve into Dialogue RSN1's functionalities. Signing up for the Agentic Dialogue platform allows them to explore the API documentation, facilitating a deeper understanding of how the model integrates into existing systems. This exploration is crucial for organizations wishing to harness the model's full capabilities to enhance customer interactions. In summary, PolyAI's Dialogue RSN1 is not merely a step forward, but a leap towards redefining standard business communications. Its ability to natively process audio inputs without interim transcription represents a monumental shift, offering enhanced efficiency and effectiveness in customer interactions. This innovation sets a new benchmark in audio communication technology, potentially pressuring traditional customer service models to evolve swiftly. In a strategic move targeting AI security, NVIDIA's AI Red team has introduced a comprehensive framework designed to secure AI agents and foster safe deployment. These measures address vulnerabilities faced by autonomous agents, potentially enabling safer and more confident AI integration into enterprise systems. The initiative involves several crucial components that enhance AI agent security. Enterprise platform integration. NVIDIA proposes establishing enterprise platforms equipped with pre-approved secure pathways. This involves creating centralized gateways and policy enforcement mechanisms, ensuring that AI agent deployments comply with stringent security protocols. By doing so, organizations can enable seamless yet secure connections between AI agents and their systems. This minimizes unauthorized access risks considerably and ensures adherence to compliance requirements. 2. Runtime security controls. Critical to NVIDIA's approach are runtime security measures that adapt and function amidst unpredictable execution conditions. This includes the use of sandbox policies, which provide isolated environments for testing AI agent behaviors, and taint tracing, which tracks data flow to ensure that only trusted information is processed. Moreover, the process encompasses sanitizing untrusted data to preclude injection of malicious inputs, thereby reinforcing the fortifications around sensitive data. 3. Autonomy level assessment. Another innovative element involves categorizing AI systems based on their decision-making capabilities. This autonomy levels framework allows developers to better assess the potential risks associated with AI agents based on their ability to make independent decisions. By understanding these risks, organizations can implement targeted mitigation strategies suitable for the specific autonomy level of an AI agent. Although NVIDIA has not disclosed specific quantitative benchmarks or performance metrics within their framework, they aim to achieve a balance, enhancing security without overly compromising operational efficiency. Developers should expect to allocate additional resources and time to incorporate these measures effectively. For those looking to implement these strategies, NVIDIA provides extensive documentation and learning opportunities. Developers can access resources on NVIDIA's official documentation pages for insights into AI security frameworks and consider attending sessions at the GTC for deeper understanding and practical guidance. In summary, NVIDIA's blueprint for secure AI agent deployment is a forward-thinking step that could potentially set industry standards. As AI technologies become increasingly integral to enterprise operations, the need for robust security measures becomes indispensable. NVIDIA's efforts are steering this evolution, offering a blueprint that underscores security as a foundational element of AI deployment strategy. NVIDIA has unveiled nvmath-python, an open-source library that simplifies integrating Python with CUDA-X math libraries, transforming high-performance computing and data analysis in Python. This release bridges the gap between Python's simplicity and GPU's raw power, addressing constraints that previously limited Python's performance in computationally intensive tasks. nvmath-python allows developers to utilize high-level Pythonic APIs without needing extensive C++ coding or manual CUDA management. This library supports crucial mathematical operations including linear algebra, fast Fourier transforms, FFT, and sparse matrix operations, making it versatile for a variety of applications. Seamless CUDA integration. At the core of nvmath-python is its integration with CUDA-X, NVIDIA's suite of GPU-accelerated libraries that targets high-performance computing and AI. The ability to offload these operations to GPUs without cumbersome setup accelerates processes significantly. This is especially beneficial for machine learning tasks and scientific simulations, where processing large datasets efficiently becomes critical. Advanced performance features. One standout feature is the just-in-time JIT compilation, which allows for on-the-fly code execution. This can drastically reduce latency, making computations faster and more efficient. Kernel fusion further optimizes processes by merging multiple computations into a single operation, reducing the communication overhead between CPU and GPU, thus boosting performance, especially in operations like iterative algorithms. Multi-GPU support. nvmath-python doesn't just stop at single GPU usage. It extends its capabilities across multiple devices. This is key for large-scale simulations or training complex deep learning models, where single GPU computations might hit resource limits. By distributing workloads across multiple GPUs or even across different nodes, it scales computational tasks effectively. Open source and compatibility. The decision to release nvmath-python as open source underlines NVIDIA's commitment to the developer community. Its compatibility with popular Python libraries such as NumPy, QPy, and PyTorch makes it easier for developers to integrate into existing workflows, maintaining the flexibility and ease of use that Python is known for. However, developers should be aware of some potential trade-offs. The library, being relatively new, has not undergone as extensive benchmarking against established libraries, leading to uncertainties about long-term performance stability. Moreover, although the library abstracts much of CUDA's complexity, a fundamental understanding of CUDA can be beneficial, especially for leveraging some of its advanced features. Those eager to dive in can get started by installing nvmath-python via pip install nvmath-python. To explore its capabilities, NVIDIA's documentation and Quick Start Guide are valuable resources, providing hands-on examples and community-driven advice. In conclusion, nvmath-python is poised to significantly enhance Python's capabilities in high-performance computing, making GPU-accelerated computations more accessible and streamlined. This development marks a substantial step towards empowering Python developers to utilize GPU resources fully, potentially reshaping the computational landscape for scientific research, data analytics, and beyond. LightOn AI's introduction of mDenseOn and mLateOn models represents a pivotal advancement in multilingual retrieval capabilities, leveraging compact yet powerful architecture to fit seamlessly into modern AI workflows. These models are engineered to handle the complexity of multilingual environments efficiently, paving the way for improved applications in search and information retrieval across multiple languages. Breaking down the capabilities. mDenseOn. This single-vector dense model excels in handling multilingual retrieval tasks. It achieves a notable 56.2 ndg10 on the Bayer benchmark, which assesses the effectiveness of retrieval systems through normalized discounted cumulative gain. Its design focuses on condensing the data into dense representations that can be processed quickly to improve retrieval speeds without sacrificing accuracy. This model enhances token-level matching through a sophisticated Colbert-style late interaction mechanism. With an NDCG at 10 score of 57.22, it demonstrates superior parsing of language nuances, crucial for accurate retrieval across various language contexts. The late interaction design allows for intelligent decision-making on which token interactions contribute most significantly to retrieval effectiveness. Modern BERT architecture. Both models utilize this advanced framework, known for its adaptability and power, to provide a solid base for handling multilingual contexts. The architecture's strength lies in its ability to process language patterns efficiently, having been trained on large curated datasets tailored to maximize multilingual generalization. Technical and practical advantages. Each model comprises 149 million parameters, striking a balance between computational feasibility and performance output, making them deployable on a single GPU. This feature is particularly advantageous for enterprises wishing to integrate retrieval-augmented generation (RAG) pipelines without necessitating a significant hardware investment. The open-source nature of these models is both a strength and a potential source of variability. While it ensures transparency and reproducibility, vital for fostering innovation and collaborative developments, it also requires careful management to avoid divergent adaptations potentially diluting model efficacy. Steps for engagement. For developers and researchers intrigued by these capabilities, exploring LightOn's models on Hugging Face is a compelling first step. Engaging with the provided training code offers a hands-on opportunity to adapt and refine these models, perhaps tailoring them for specific use cases or contributing improvements back to the community. Real-world implications. Though these models demonstrate exceptional benchmarks, their performance in diverse, real-world settings continues to be an area ripe for exploration. Their compact architecture and open-source availability align well with modern priorities, where cost-effectiveness and flexibility are increasingly crucial in large-scale deployments. In summary, LightOn's mDenseOn and mLateOn models are not just about enhancing multilingual search efficiency. They set a new standard for what compact, open-source models can achieve in an enterprise setting, driving both innovation and practical application in the ever-evolving landscape of AI technology. Today's exploration of diverse AI advancements underscores the tremendous pace at which our field is evolving. From cost reductions to enhanced security and groundbreaking computational models, we stand on the cusp of a new era in AI-driven solutions. Stay curious and engaged as we continue to navigate this exciting landscape.